What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon. Crypto Universe. Today is Wednesday, November 29th, and I have to share with everybody a new gaming altcoin that's called Portal. Now, what's interesting about this video is that I'm going to share with you how you can actually get this gaming coin for absolutely free. It's going to be airdropped to holders who are very active on crypto Twitter. I'm going to make it very easy for you to understand how you can participate in this by simply just making a few posts, simply tagging Portal coin, and just being interactive with other different members within crypto Twitter. You'd be surprised how much points you'll be allocated. Now, we're going to go dive deep into what this means, what it's all about, and how you can participate, because this video is going to be super easy for you to understand. So with that said, be sure to like up the button, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. So what is Portal coin? Well, Portal coin basically is a coin that's going to be partnering with Magic Eden. And what they're going to do is with Portal, it's going to be a universal coin. That universal coin will be allowing people to interface with all these different blockchain Web3 games. DeFi Land, Star Atlas, Undead Block, DeFi Kingdom, so forth, so on. So this is across multiple different games on multiple different blockchains. Isn't that quite interesting? So this is the first time we're actually seeing a universal gaming altcoin. Now, you can invest in this altcoin before it releases to the public, but again, this is for angel investors. It's around 10 Ethereum, which is the minimum investment to buy these actual coins. But this is not a video for you to invest. You want to find out how to actually obtain free gaming altcoins from Portal. So how does that all work? Well, it's simply in this slide right here. So Portal coin, if you go to their Twitter page, they said that they're going to be airdropping these Portal tokens to people who participate in this actual interface. So if you click on this link right here, Crystal Dash, make sure to click on that link because that's going to allow you to connect to a website, and then it's going to allow you to connect your Twitter account. You have to make sure to provide access to your Twitter account to access to Crystal Dash. Why is that important? Because it'll get you to this page. So basically, it'll take your Twitter account, it'll evaluate your posts, and it'll basically say how many views you have, how many likes you have, how many reposts you have, replies, and quotes. So basically, it's going to update this actual dashboard. It's going to determine how many points you're going to have, and also keep in mind there's only 4 days left of this, right? So as of today, Wednesday, November 29th, there's only 4 days left in season for you to obtain these points so that you can be allocated these Portal tokens. So right now, how can you actually do this? So there are some examples of how you can actually interact with people. So this is a great little template of how to play in terms of earning Portal points. And it's quite simple. Basically, by earning points, you move up on levels. Each level reached earns you shards. You will be able to combine your shards into crystals, and the number of crystals decides how much portals you will be able to claim. You can earn each Portal points through two things, and this is how it works. Engaging with specific Portal tweets by liking, replying, quoting, etc. By mentioning Portal coin in each original tweet, the more engagement these tweets get, the more points you earn. All points will be earned automatically through our Twitter monitoring. Depending on your actions, your points rewards will be as follows: the views, the likes, the replies, the reposts, and the quotes. Now, power tweeters, which is people that have higher followings or more tweets, will receive a multiplier for engaging with Portal tweets. Now, if they expect or suspect you are using bots in terms of your engagements, they'll notice it, and they'll disqualify you out of this whole participation in requiring these Portal tokens. Now, I'm going to show you some examples of what I've done, because you saw on my dashboard that I had around 6,000 roughly points on my actual dashboard. And it's simply this. This is what I did in my very first post yesterday around 7:56 p.m. Pacific time. All I said was say Portal or Portal coin in the comments, and I will like and reply back. And a ton of people ended up doing that. And so what ended up happening is that that's one way you can do it, but also another way of doing it is creating a meme. So I took this picture right here and I end up putting at Portal coin, and that's one way you can do it. And again, you want to get either as many likes, retweets, or follows based on those different elements. And also another way of doing it is if you have posts that don't relate to Portal coin, say for instance, I said what NFT should I buy in this collection, all I had to do was just attach Portal coin, and basically whoever engaged with this post will actually be supporting my Portal Coin dashboard, allocating me points. So some other people have been actually doing a pretty good job in that. So as you saw that I was actually on level 1, this person's on level 2, they finally got into the 10,000 points. Now, for this one, they probably started on day 1, and so they're on day 2 now. So for me, I started on day 2. So for me, I only had 6,000 points. So this person on day 2 basically got 10,000 points, roughly 15,000 points in total, and they were allocated 100 shards. So that's going to be really interesting. So again, the amount of shards, depending on how many crystals you get, depends on how many points you get. And another person who's doing a really great job is, say for instance, D-Royds. This person's on level 12, has around 152,000 points, roughly 1,400 shards. So again, the reason he's able to do this is because he's actually part of a farming group. So basically people on Twitter have started groups where if you share your post, those groups of people will support your post in order for you to have allocation to the Portal token. So again, this is one way of doing it. And again, I reached out to this person, D-Royds, and he actually allowed me to join these specific Twitter groups. So these are many different ways that you can do it. So that's everything in a nutshell. So I really wanted to make this video really easy for you to understand how you can actually participate in this. So be really creative on Twitter, be really creative on your Portal Coin posts, and make sure to tag @PortalCoin. Okay, just don't type in, money symbol portal. Like, that's just one way of doing it. You have to have as much engagement as you can on your actual tweets. And then again, there's only 4 days left of this, so make sure to follow everything that you've seen in terms of the how to play page. You've seen the examples. Use that to your own ability, and let me know your thoughts down below on how you plan to engage and farm this actual token. So with that said, as always, if you like what you've seen, like what you heard, be sure to like the button, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page to receive all of our alpha calls in both buy and sell orders and everything alpha within gaming tokens such as the Portal. So make sure to do all that, and I'll see you guys and girls next time.